Hi everyone, this is a tutorial for people that use an electric garage door opener from Adams. If your garage door opener does not go down or up for any reason, your first check is going to be pretty important. So up here, when you get up to your garage door opener, you're gonna see quite a few things. You're gonna see all these cords that look kind of daunting, honestly. But then you're gonna see this LED display. When you first press the set button, there's a light that's going to come on underneath that you're going to want to pay attention to. And of course, I don't have the best camera here, but hopefully you guys can see. So I'm going to aim this up where the cords are. So you can now see this says the letter P up here. When you hold down the set, you're going to see the number 1 show up. Now this is a good time to keep in mind that sometimes if you do this wrong, the number 1 will not show up. Sometimes to get this to work, you gotta unplug it and plug it back in. That might be the case with this situation. I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quick. So I know you guys can't see anything, I put you guys on top of the car. From your wall socket, unplug, plug back in. It's just the simple wall plug on your ceiling. Now from here, you're gonna make sure you hold down until it says 1. Right there, you guys can see now that it says the number 1. So with your controls, you have up and you have down. Now, on different models, this may be placed differently. The buttons may be placed differently. For me, the weird thing is you have to start it at the top. So you want to bring your garage door to however high you want it. This is going to be wherever it's most comfortable for it to be at the max height. Now, I know the camera's going to get blurred out here. Bring it to however high you want it. All the way to the top is pretty much where I'm going to set this one. Then you're going to unplug from the ceiling, plug back in. You're going to hold down set again until you see the number 1. Now my camera cannot see in the dark area very well, so we're just going to hope. Okay, of course I didn't get it because it wants to be a pain in my ass today. Gonna unplug and plug back in again. Remember, this may happen from time to time. It's not 100% that you're gonna get it every single time. Sometimes you may mess up, sometimes you may not hold it down for long enough, sometimes you may start too early. Now you're gonna lower it down to wherever you want it. Now for me, I'm just going to put this all the way to the ground. Make sure it's all the way down. Even just make sure, because sometimes it's not, and that's where it becomes a bitch. Because if you don't do this right, you have to reset everything. Now you go to step 2 by just tapping set and not holding it, and you're going to bring the garage door back to where you want it. It's a pretty simple process. You just hold this until it gets to wherever the hell you want it. Here it is, just about where I want it. And now you're gonna hit this set button, tap it one more time, and you should see that light flash 3 times. By this point, you've done the raising and lowering to wherever you want it. Now it's just the job of testing it. So you're gonna press, you have a little wall panel here, and you're just gonna press the button. Over here, you should see the garage door going down to wherever you set it. If it does not go up or down for any reason after this, you may have to repeat this until you get it. That light will flash confirming, then you will press it again, and it'll bring it up. Wherever you want it to be set now, is going to be where it sets. You're going to hear a loud beep when it's done raising to let you know that it's set. Or, and there we go, see? Now you hear that loud beep. Whatever you use to stand up on, in case of my case, it's just a zero gravity chair, I think. Grandma found it online and she doesn't use it, so just use it out here. So thanks for watching the tutorial. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. If you have any concerns, go ahead, leave a comment. Thank you for watching.